Hello all. Welcome to Bright Beginners channel. Today we will learn about traffic symbol signs. Pedestrian crossing, where people can safely walk across a street. Slow down, to move slower. School crossing, helps the children to cross the road safely. Slippery road, the road contains water or oil. No U-turn. The driver is not legally allowed to make a U-turn. No parking, means a person cannot park during the specified location. Traffic ahead, warns drivers that a traffic signal is at the intersection ahead. Road work, work done in repairing roads. No overtaking. It is illegal to overtake. Falling rocks, a place where rocks often fall. Turn right, to take a right. Turn left, to take a left. No entry, indicate that you are not allowed to go into a particular area. Wild animals, animals which are not domesticated. Traffic lights, consist of 3 colors, red, yellow, and green. When the signal turns red, you must stop. When it turns yellow, slow down and wait, and when it turns green, go. Roundabout ahead, indicates that there is a roundabout ahead. Two-way traffic, traffic is able to move in both directions. Hump, drivers should reduce the speed to cross the hump comfortably. Maximum speed, driver must follow the maximum speed of the vehicle. Petrol pump, indicates that there is a petrol pump ahead. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to Bright Beginners channel.